Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see assistant professor or the lecturer vacancies notification. Okay, and here for whatever the notifications I am going to show in this video, there is no application fee and there is no written examination, guys. The selection will be directly based upon the interview itself. And here one of the opportunities having for only post graduation candidates, okay, we are going to get 30,000 rupees per month, guys. And there is no state restriction here. Whatever the notifications, all these things you can apply from any state from the India, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the first one we are going to see is Indian Institute of Technology Tirupati, and this notification we got on 31st May 2021. There is advertisement for laboratory assistants. And here the job will be purely on a contract basis for a period of 6 months and extendable. Number of vacancies are 2, and you are not going to get any type of medical facilities or the other benefits, guys. Okay, and the qualification required here MSc in physics with 60% of marks, and the age is not more than 35 years on the date of advertisement, and the remuneration is 30,000 rupees per month. It is the consolidated one. And the job responsibilities, day-to-day activities in undergraduate as well as the PG teaching laboratories of the physics department, and any other works assigned by the time to time. And the desirable experience, if you are having the 2 years of experience or there, it will be the additional advantage to you. And the notification starts on the 1st June 2021. The last date for sending the applications is 20th June 2021. So whoever the interested candidates are there, you have to apply in the prescribed format that is already enclosed with this PDF. I will show you guys, and forward the same along with the self-attested copies of all certificates of educational qualifications and physics in a single PDF by email to ph_office@iittp.ac.in. Only the shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview, guys. Okay, so here it is application format. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So take out the printout of this one and fill up the details and attach the necessary documents. Okay, scan all the things and then send to the provided mail ID on or before 20th June 2021. And coming to the next advertisement is program officer from the Tata Institute of Social Science, data entry and verification. One vacancy is there, location is Mumbai, and here the salary is 31,000 rupees per month, guys, and the last date for application is 10th June 2021. And here the term of references for the position of the data entry is given here, so you may check down. And required qualification MSW or MA Psychology or MHA or MPH and other allied fields. And essential skills, willingness to undertake extensive travel in Mumbai and minimum 5 years of experience in similar field. Previous experience in area of counseling, TB or HIV will be given preference. Proficiency in excellent report development will be given preference, and the local Mumbai candidates will be given preference. And application procedure, here you have to fill up this Google form. Okay, and only shortlisted applicants will be called for the interview. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So interested candidates may fill up, guys. And coming to the next one is WMO Arts and Science College. So in its website itself, you can check down here the application for the post of guest lecturers applications are invited from the qualified candidates for the following post of guest faculties in the departments. So click on that one and then you will be directed to this page, guys. Here applications are invited from the qualified candidates for the following post of guest faculties in the departments, that is physics, mathematics, electronics, economics, computer science and commerce. So if you are having only post graduation in these departments, then no problem, guys, you may apply and carefully fill the online application forms, okay, and then submit on or before 3rd June 2021. And if you check down here in the online application form, so whoever the candidates belongs to these departments, utilize this opportunity, guys. And in the online application form, here what is the post you are applying for, guest faculty, and what is the subject you are going to select. Okay, so you can select here, and after selecting, just fill up these details. Okay, your contact details and then address for communication, and then what is your permanent address and academic details. So here, if you are not having net qualification, click on the no, and MPhil qualification, click on the no, And if you don't have the PhD, click on the no. And if you don't have the JRF, and then select the no. So here for only post graduation also opportunity is there. So utilize this one, guys. Upload your resume and then just tick both these two and then click on the submit button. Okay. So it is a one notification. And coming to the second one notification is Gramin Vikas Seva Sanstha BEd college, guys. And from this college, so it is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, approved by NCTE. So applications from eligible candidates for the following post with biodata, including qualifications, age, caste, subject, etc., should reach within 7 days from the date of publication of this advertisement, along with attested copies of certificates and the mark sheets of the following address or the email. So try to better send through the email, guys. Okay. And here the email ID is also given here, adsulcollege@gmail.com. And coming to the designation, principal, all these are the full-time post, guys. Assistant professor in maths, English and Marathi or Hindi, and librarian, physical director, art teacher and the performing arts. And here, as per the caste category also the vacancies are divided, so you may check down. And coming to the qualifications, so principal master's degree in any subject with B+ with PhD and 15 years of teaching experience must be there. And coming to the assistant professor, master's degree with B+ in relevant subject along with the MEd and NET or SET examination must be passed. Coming to the librarian, MA or MSc or MCom and M library B+ with NET or SET examination passed. And the physical director is MPEd and art teacher MFA, performing arts MA. Candidate should apply also through the email. Okay, so you please take down the one prescribed format. Okay. And then just mention your age, qualifications and what just like the biodata, and then attach few necessary documents and then send to the mentioned mail ID here. Okay. So total these are the four vacancies from the 4 different colleges, guys. So one is Indian Institute of Technology Tirupati. Okay. So it is for the laboratory purpose, and next one is program officer in the Tata Institute of Social Science, and next one is WMO Arts and Science College. Okay. So here these are the departments, and the next one is the college Gramin Vikas Seva Sanstha. So it is the vacancies. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. and just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.